Alright guys, I got a haircut today. Look at me. Boy, I'm looking fresh today. Anyways, alright, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you this little roof here, which you can do any which way possible in any car you want to do, but that's all on you. But what I'm gonna do is, so I use Design Line tape here. You can buy this on Amazon, Metro, wherever you want to be. You gotta make sure your roof is clean here. Like, you can look how bad this is here. It's got water spots, it's got some scuffs in it, some scratches, my fingerprints, you know, all that fun stuff. But wipe it off, clean it, remove that antenna over there. You see right there, hold on, ready, set? Right there. You gotta remove that. How we have a nice clean install over there. So when you remove that, you get a good clean, plain surface to work with. So wash it, use alcohol, you can use some kind of a prep surface, you can do clay bar, because that's usually what I do, is I'll use clay bar. Get my handprint up there. When you get it all set up, good to go, then on the edges here, which I'm not done completely, obviously, you can see that I got the knife tape on here on the edges, which I already cleaned that first, but do it on both sides. That way when you put the wrap on it, which is over there, right over there is what I'm using, and then get it done. So stay tuned. Real quick here, I want to show you, you can get different types of clay bars. You got the red ones, which is a really, really harsh one, so it's the strongest clay bar you can get. And you got the blue, which is a medium grade. If I can even get it open. It's stuck together because I got, there we go. So it's stuck to this, obviously. And then you got the kind you can pick up at AutoZone and O'Reilly's, all that crap here. The base simple, easy stuff. I usually use the blue one the most. Unless you get really, really bad, then you can go to the red. So the red will definitely get everything and anything possible. So I'd recommend getting this stuff. I bought it from Koch Chemie. That's where I bought it from. You can check them out online. I'm sure you can get them maybe cheaper on Amazon, eBay, Temu, you know, all that fun stuff. Then while using clay bar, you want to use some kind of slip solution. I use this right here. You can pick it up at Ollie's for cheap. But it's a slip prepper solution. It gets rid of all the waxes, oils, polishing residue, blah, 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 as you can see right there. If you want, pause the video. You can read it for yourself. But if you use water, it's not going to work as well. If you use alcohol, it will break it down, and it won't work that well either. So I'm just pretty much spraying it down real quick here, like so. Even though you wiped it, you clean it, you still got to wipe it down also. So it gets off a lot of the contamination and residue. All right, so you got the whole roof all done now. And you can still see on the roof here, let's see all the water spots and everything is still in there. Glass looks better, but in order to get all this stuff out, you need paint correction, a bunch of other stuff here, but yeah, so now it's prepped and ready to go to get wrapped. This is why we're wrapping it, is to hide all the imperfections, save the customer some money, save them some time on this. Oh, look at that, handprints. Anyways, so now we're going to do a solo install on this and show you how to do this. Well, apparently I had a little technicality. It didn't really show you much of how the freaking thing was done, but I'll show you anyways. So I wrapped it all, Design Line tape, like I said, all the way down there. I mean, it's pretty clean for the most part, other than the little micro scratches, which will come out anyways. But then I gotta wipe it down, then get ready to ceramic coat it. But basically, cut it down the sides. I cut it right on this channel right in here. Then tucked it down inside here. You can see down inside there. All the way around. It's a sunroof. You cut it inside this channel here, tuck it in. Now, being this was black, I didn't have to go as far. Now, if this was white, you want to make sure this moonroof is down inside. Flip this netting down, hold it in place so you can go down further. It's usually like a 1/2 inch down. You got to go to cover to hide all the paint. So, but other than that, it's all you got to do, guys. Now we will move on to doing the next part, which I promised you guys. You guys wanted to know how to do the front bumper, but there it is. So stay tuned. By the way, guys, if you have not done it yet, help me help you increase my channel on YouTube and get some more subscribers and followers so we can grow my channel. I'm almost at 1,000. It's taken a long time. I had stopped actually doing YouTube because for as long as it was taking, I took a break for about 2 years, but I'm at 977. I only need 1,000, and I only need a little less than 400 watch hours, which I'm going to go live on it, go from there. But subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.